If you have a WordPress website and you have a contact form on it, then you know how frustrating it is to deal with all the spam emails that you are receiving in your inbox from your contact form. And it is a very common problem when you are using a WordPress site. But the good thing is there are few checks that you can put on your contact form no matter what plugin you are using to avoid spam filling of these contact form on your WordPress website. So if that sounds interesting, then let's dive in. Hi, my name is Ankit and welcome to Magazine 3 YouTube channel where we talk about everything related to WordPress. And if you want to learn more about WordPress, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. So you have already set up your WordPress website and you have a contact form in it, and that form is sending a lot of spam emails on your WordPress website. And no matter how new or old your WordPress website is, it's a very high chance that you will attract a lot of bots on your WordPress contact form and they will send a lot of spam emails in your inbox. So in order to fix that, here are some checks that you can put on your contact form, and you will start with number 1, that is installing Google reCAPTCHA. Now a Google CAPTCHA is a checkpoint for all the bots or the normal humans on your contact form that they need to click on a check mark and then they need to solve some image based puzzles, and that helps the system understand if the form is being filled by a bot or a real human being. So no matter what form plugin you are using, make sure either you have that feature inbuilt in the contact form plugin that you can add Google CAPTCHA in it, or you must install some plugin which can help you integrate Google CAPTCHA on your form plugins, or install any third-party plugin that can help you integrate Google CAPTCHA with your contact form. Our point number 2 is to have custom CAPTCHA on your contact form. Now Google reCAPTCHA works great and you can always trust on that. You can also put some custom CAPTCHA on your contact form. Now again, there are various plugins that can help you add this custom CAPTCHA on your contact form, and the best part is these custom CAPTCHAs are not based on some image puzzles. They are actually some riddles or some math problem that your visitor need to solve before they can submit the form. For example, they need to do some additions or they might need to do some subtraction. So these are some of the checks that only a human can pass, not the bot for sure. So these custom CAPTCHA you can surely go ahead and try on your WordPress website. And that brings us to next step, that is to implement honey trap method on your contact form. When you are creating a contact form in WordPress, make sure your plugin got this feature of adding honeypot method inbuilt in that plugin. And what it does is that it adds a hidden field inside the form code which only a bot can see, not the humans. So when the bot comes on your website, they are not going to visit the front end. They will be reading all the HTML code on your website, and that particular hidden field will be filled by those bots, and the system will know that this is a hidden field which is not possible for a human to fill while filling up the form. So the system marks that form as spam. And on the other hand, when a normal human visits that form, they never see that hidden field. With that, your contact form plugin knows that this is not a bot, it is a form filled by a genuine human. So with that, you can definitely reduce the number of spam emails generated by the bots. Then comes our next point, that is to install anti-spam plugin. Now contact form spam is just one type of spam or bot attack your WordPress website might face. They have various other fishy things that these bots or some humans do on your WordPress website, and in order to have your site protected from all the kind of spams, it's better you install a dedicated plugin which deals with spam protection. For example, you can install plugin like Akismet, which is one of the most popular plugin which can help you reduce all type of spams on your WordPress website. We have created a separate video where we have covered what are the most popular spam filtering plugins that you can use on your WordPress website. So you can check that video in the I button above, or I will leave a link in the description below of this video. So you can go ahead and check that and try all the plugins and see which one works best for you. So these are some of the basic checks that you can do on your WordPress website to avoid spam emails from your contact form. So if you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to watch more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. So that's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next one.